We all have those days where we just don't feel at our best, and when these days hit, usually for me, I just want to crawl into my bed, order skip, and check out from the world. I've noticed though that when I don't take care of myself, it just kind of prolongs the process of me getting back into alignment. So for me, I just always take off my makeup as soon as I get home so that I feel instantly lighter. I'll throw on something comfy and give myself some added luxury by hydrating my skin with a sheet mask. I also find that one of the most helpful things when I'm in this position is to start tidying up my stuff and just getting my living space back to how it should look. I usually love listening to podcasts and audiobooks in my own time, but when nights happen where I'm a little bit more stressed, I just make it a hard rule for myself to slow down. Ordering in is also so tempting when I'm low energy, but I know that my body needs to take better care of itself, and if my circumstances are uncontrollable, I can control what's going into my body.
I really think it'll happen for you. I know. Because everything that was meant to happen does. Eventually.
I listen to my body when I need it.
Drinking tea is a really good way to settle your body down, especially after dinner. I love drinking lemon water and turmeric honey, and I do this twice a day. Journaling has become really important practice to me, especially when I'm stressed. One of the best forms of journaling I've discovered for myself is just timed freestyle writing, where I give myself 10 minutes of non-judgmental space to journal whatever comes to mind. Developing a night ritual can be a really grounding practice. It also can be helpful to let your body know it's time to wind down. Even though I've already removed my makeup, I still need to take care of my skin before hitting the sheets. I usually will do a toner, an essence, a serum, moisturizer, and oil, but tonight I'm just using what I have on hand and what's simple. I always listen to also a night routine playlist and get myself ready for bed. When I'm stressed, it means that my cortisol levels are high and that my central nervous system needs to calm down. I make a point to not just watch TV to fall asleep to, but I do mindfulness practices such as meditation and breath work to calm my central nervous system down to get me ready for bed.
Hi, and welcome back to day 3.
And at the end of the day, I tell myself that I'm going to get through it, tomorrow's a new day, and that everything is working out how it should.
I know. Because everything that was meant to happen does.